So I'd like to take a few moments here and show you something really neat. This is a 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood dealer launch kit. Look at the neat pictures on the outside of the box. This was sent to the dealers in the late summer of 1992, and inside it contains all the information the dealership would want to have to train their sales staff on this brand new model. And I guess they probably did this with every new model of Cadillac, at least during that time period in the 90s. So let's open it up, take a look inside. Big giant picture of the beautiful new 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood. And then in this little slot here is the full line brochure for Cadillac in 1993. Even has a really neat raised Cadillac logo on the front. Anyway, let's continue thumbing through this here. Yeah, there we go. Let's take a minute to look at the pages. That's the chrome interior pictured there. Yep, you could get the optional 7,000-pound trailer towing package. Fleetwood selected features. That's the standard cloth interior there, and the chrome cloth interior, which I think is pretty sweet, and then the standard leather interior. And they show you the two alloy wheels. The Fleet package ones, was that the R1P code? Those could get steel wheel covers for just that 1 year. Alright, that's the last page on that. Anyway, let's get back to this launch package here. Put this back in its little slot, and we'll take a look at what we have inside here. So we got some neat stuff here. We've got a sales training VHS videotape, which I'll put a link to here. I uploaded that to my channel just recently. This is has some interesting stuff on it. It was a video that I'd previously never seen online. The only video I've ever seen online for the Fleetwood was the one that they would send to prospective owners. Now let's see, over here you've got a big stack of reference guides, and I guess these would be something that these are all the same, right? Yep. This would be something that the salesperson would have on their desk. And it's got some facts in here about it. Prospective buyers. I'll make some individual videos showing these booklets more in depth. Spend a lot of time here if we go through each page. Well, I have gone through each page of every bit of this stuff. Yeah, it tells you about the features, interior, exterior, safety features, all kinds of things. The kind of things that, as a salesperson, you would want to have on hand. A salesperson would probably have, here's the specs of it, compared to other vehicles. Oh, compared to the outgoing 92 Brougham, which this replaced, and compared to the town car. Now, I have a feeling that there's something missing from this. The way this fits in here loosely like this, I feel like looks almost like the space an audio cassette would fit in here. So, there might be something missing from this. Anyway, let's take a look at the letter. I will do my best to read this in my best voiceover voice here. September 1st, 1992, this was sent out, all Cadillac dealers. 1993 Fleetwood launch package. The 1993 Fleetwood has a strategic role to play in the Cadillac lineup. Targeted directly at a solid core of specific Cadillac customers, this new car will also appeal to new buyers who seek comfort, safety, and technical sophistication in a large rear-wheel drive vehicle. This 1993 Fleetwood launch package has been developed to help all dealership personnel prepare for the new car. Designed to serve as a comprehensive sales training program for your entire sales and service staff, the package includes comprehensive product and ownership information, buyer profiles, selling strategies, and competitive comparisons. Also included are easy-to-use training items such as a suggested meeting script with overhead visual support, pocket-sized reference guides, and a video cassette that features a Fleetwood walk-around. It is essential that all sales and service personnel review these materials and attend training sessions for the new Fleetwood. Now more than ever, we need to prepare for the selling process armed with solid product knowledge as well as detailed market, prospect, and ownership information. With the 93 Fleetwood, we have an opportunity to capitalize on Cadillac's momentum in the luxury marketplace and further strengthen our leadership position in the 90s. Effective sales training is the first step in this process, and the time to start learning is now. And it's signed by P.R. Gerosa, whoever he is. Now, it doesn't mention anything about an audio cassette, so maybe I'm wrong there. Let's take a look at what else we have here. Oh, yeah. These are overhead masters. You would copy these onto overhead transparencies. Some people out there probably don't even know what the hell that is. But anyway, so basically you would copy all these onto overhead transparencies and you'd have these out at your sales meeting, and there's somewhere in here there's a script that even says what you might want to go on ahead and say in that meeting. Now let's take a look at the introduction. Now let's see. Yeah, and I'll cover this in another separate video. I'll read it aloud. Basically, just talks about how this kit can be used to strengthen your sales staff. Now we got the meeting leader guide. Now this must be where it tells us what we should say in our sales meeting, talking about the new 1993 Fleetwood. Yeah, turn on the light here. The sun seems to be going away. 1993 Fleetwood represents the ultimate full-size rear-wheel drive luxury, designed to appeal to a very distinct niche within the large luxury segment. This vehicle has a vital role to play in the Cadillac lineup. Oh yeah, look. It says, good morning, in parentheses, afternoon, and welcome to the first session for the 1993 Fleetwood. Oh boy, how many sessions were they supposed to be given here? This is a pretty big thing. Oh, and then I guess you're supposed to do a walk around. That's pretty cool. And this is an expensive car back then, so this was a big deal for them. Only made it 3 model years though, obviously. Most of those buyers probably died. And I don't think they attracted any younger buyers like they wanted. Now here's the market and product guide. The last book in this kit to take a look at. It explains, and this was interesting. I did not know this. It was apparently going to be continued to be named the Brome, but they changed it at the last moment in this VHS tape. It refers to the car as the Brome several times. Market and prospect overview. The Fleetwood mission. Let's read. I'm going to read this excerpt here, just because it's so good. The 1993 Fleetwood mission. Specifically, the mission of the 1993 Fleetwood is to retain traditional Cadillac customers, conquest Lincoln Town Car owners, serve as a Cadillac expression of an elegant luxury vehicle, and provide leadership in the limousine market. With its appeal to the traditional luxury segment, Fleetwood will retain conservative and mature Cadillac customers, while also attracting new owners of competitive vehicles. In addition, the new Fleetwood will play a significant role in the high-profile limousine market and meet export needs for Japan and the Middle East. Oh, the Middle East I can see. Japan, huh? I guess the fancy luxury limo people out there like the big American cars. I know the Middle Easterns did. Anyway, so that is that in a nutshell. as condensed as I can make it with that stripping it of all its interesting information, is the 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood dealer launch package. So again, I'll put links to videos where I go more in depth into this, and for those who are interested in taking a lot of time to hear me read a lot of stuff out of a lot of books. I don't know that I'm going to read everything that's in there, though. I don't think I have that kind of time. Although, I don't know. We've all got a lot of time on our hands right now, don't we? Anyway, let's close this back up. And that is our dealer launch package. See you around.